How to fix Instagram live option not showing. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Instagram. Make sure you are logged in into your specific account. Once logged in, swipe right and head over to your story section. At the bottom, you should be able to see the option of live right over here, but you can also see that the option is not showing up. In order for you to fix it, the very first thing you should know that in order for you to have live option, you should at least have 1000 followers. If your followers is less than 1000, then the live option might not show up and you won't be able to go live. But even if you have 1000 followers, still live option is not showing up, then simply click on this three horizontal line at the top right corner. Once you're inside the settings page of Instagram, scroll all the way down and then you need to head over to help. Tap on report a problem. Click on report problem without shaking and then select don't include and continue. Now in this page you have to state the problem that you have been facing on Instagram. Say that your live option is missing even if you have 1000 followers and then click on send or submit. Within 24 hours, your issue might get fixed and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.